Some of our favorites together. This is all of ours fave, and it's great to go along with our today's special from Let's Fit. By the way, stay on the line, go to .com. That's how you're going to get your watches and get them early before they sell out. All right, this, speaking of selling out, has sold out 3 different times we've had it on the air. Imagine being able to take an entire gym with you wherever you go. And tonight we have the lowest price we've ever offered on an absolute customer fave. And it is literally everything you see, whoops, including that, sitting here in front of me. So you're getting all the bands, you're getting all the handles, you're getting over the door, you're getting the bag to take it to go. And what I love, Mr. Chad Allen, who's been with us for many, many years, hi Chad, welcome back, is literally you're taking a gym on to go.
Yeah, the entire gym can fit in your suitcase, can go to the Airbnb. I'm gonna grab it, it's right here. It's so small, you can throw it by the front door so you don't forget to take it with you. If you have maybe you have a few minutes during lunch hour, you can get a little pump in. You can stand on it, you can hold it and just do band pull aparts if you want. Or one of the upsells that we usually would do is a door anchor. And so we give you a little piece and you're able to open it and close your door, but it's gonna stay to your door. What does that mean? Now you have an anchor to do more exercises like a chest press.
That's great.
Like chest flies. I can also move the anchor, which is so fun.
And it's included.
It's included. This little piece right here that's foam, not gonna scratch anything, nothing like that. And now I can close the door with that like this.
Oh, smart.
And this is a fake door, obviously. And now I can work on my shoulder, my rotary cuff. I can get all of this right here because the alternative to doing this is a free weight or a dumbbell. And the problem with this is gravity, okay? So now if I want to do that same exercise, I have gravity working against me.
Right.
With this, if you don't have a lot of mobility or a lot of upper body strength, now the gravity is not working against me. I'm actually getting the correct exercise because I get resistance out and resistance in.
Mm-hmm. And you're actually working out smarter, not harder.
Right.
Because if you only have resistance one way, it's not effective. If you're resisting both ways, it's much more effective so you don't work out as long. Okay, so let's talk about everything that's included.
Okay.
It's a massive collection.
Yeah, okay, so if you haven't heard the story, I gained a personal trainer a couple of years ago, all right? And Bell and Howell said, well, if you're gonna go on a fitness journey, so are we. And I said,
wow.
oh yes, I get to make my own product for fitness, absolutely.
Okay.
And I said, well, the problem with resistance bands that I've experienced is having to change out the carabiners, having to change out the clips. Every single end has a carabiner on it, okay? So that's 10 carabiners, and you have your 10, your 15, your 20, your 25, your 30-pound weights. And then normally handles would be plastic or they'd be metal and sort of, they'd really rip into your hand. These are foam and cushiony. So if you have dexterity problems, you don't have to worry because of the foam built into here. And I said, well, let's take it another step further. Ankle straps are included, so you can wrap around your feet. And then there's your door anchor, but one more thing. I said, well, right, but I'm not very good at exercises without my personal trainer telling me exactly what to do. And so we gave you a whole guide of all kinds of different exercises so that you're able to read it and see the pictures and words, and get your entire body workout from core to legs with squats, squats, even to your shoulders and your biceps. Everything is included, even your travel bag.
That's brilliant. I mean, it's really brilliant.
Yeah.
And the fact is, so my husband has a really complicated system, and he's always unhooking and switching and hooking and switching. I can't even deal with it. It's so confusing. I like the fact that it's really simple. And I can't believe, can you imagine, so it starts at 10.
Yep.
So it's 10.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Okay, imagine if you had all those dumbbells sitting on a rack.
Oh, it cost you a
You're not
fortune.
taking them anywhere. It would cost you hundreds of dollars. It takes up a ton of room. And yet, if I want to work out with 35-pound weights, all I do is switch to the black.
Or
that's amazing.
Take it another step further. You can combine them. And so if I really do grow and if I get really muscly.
You can create a 50-pound weight if
absolutely, because I can combine the 30 with the 10 or the 15 and the 10, or I can combine them together because of all the carabiners. You can literally do whatever you want. This is the entire gym for you. We use real weights in the gym. We squat, we use the bar, the barbell, everything. However, even with a personal trainer that I pay a lot of money for, we start and we end every single session, 4 days a week, with resistance training. I'm always like, why? What are we doing? It feels so boring sometimes, but it's the best kind of workout for the body I want. Longer, leaner muscles, toned muscles. You are not gonna be an Olympic weightlifter by using this. This is to get those Pilates type muscles, the longer, leaner ones that give you that compact body. Longer, leaner muscles are the most compact type of muscle.
Can I tell you something?
Sure.
This is for me. I'll tell you why. It's so funny. I got to pick this up, and here's why. So by the way, over 1,000 now ordered, guys. We've never had a lower price. It's always sold out every time it's been on the air at a higher price. So they did a really special price tonight. And then Chad was like, and free shipping? Are you kidding me? This is one that you get multiples of. If you want to use it at home, if you said, oh, I was thinking about getting a gym membership, now you don't really need it. You can do all the effective workouts that you want just by using this system, and it's in a pouch. For me, it's stretching. Because I play tennis, I'm down in this position constantly. I have really, really tight glutes and tight hamstrings.
Yep.
So I was just thinking about buying those rubbery resistant bands that don't have any handles or anything. You know what? They look like rubber bands.
And they cut into your hand.
Yeah,
They're
and I
usually
thought, oh my goodness, do we have an extra one?
Yeah.
I thought, oh my goodness, even if I took this, I would do this on the floor or on my bed or something, and I put my foot down, and remember, I'm laying down, and then I would start to pull towards my head just to stretch for me. The stretch is so important. I mean, I can tell I'm tight as a drum right now.
Your hamstring, for sure.
Yeah, but look what happens. Even if you just used it to stretch and to flex better, just the stretching alone is worth having the bands. And I'd use the handles on it. It literally is perfect for me to stretch with.
Even if you only use them when you travel. I mean, honestly, to have resistance bands are gonna be, and leave them out. Don't put them away, okay? If you put them away, you're never gonna use them. So just, it's June, I know that. If you've already lost your New Year's resolutions like some of us have, this is the easiest way to get back into getting exercise, fitness, training, right? Working out, resistant. Even if you just sat in a chair, you grab it and you just do band pull-aparts. I'm working my shoulders, I'm working my arms, I'm working my biceps, I'm working my core if I hold myself firm. And at the end of the day, I do feel the burn. You'll hear my breath. You guys have known me for 12 years now. You know, like I usually talk fast, but in these presentations, I tend to slow down a little bit because I get out of breath.
Probably good for both of us, right? Well, and think about it. If you started marching with it, you have it. Like if it's Diane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Diane, if she was actually doing marching as she's doing it, then she's building up that cardio.
Yeah, and then you can cross this and get even harder.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Or you could put your legs out wider, which will actually make it I'm working on the 10-pound right now. That move, just by spreading my legs more, all of a sudden it's really creating me to, actually creating much more resistance. I do too, actually. And here's one for me. Again, I play tennis, so I have a rotator issue because I always do this crazy shot. And so I was taught by a very special friend over there to do this, but I do it without resistance. It's much better having that resistance. Feels, and it makes me stretch that rotator out. And this is now gonna strengthen it as opposed to me just stretching it out. Oh, it's brilliant, guys. You could literally be there at home right now in front of the TV and doing these. And the same amount of time we're here, 15 minutes with Chad, you could knock out a really great workout.
If I did 15 minutes, I'd be impressed with myself. Okay, so 5-6 minutes, start at a couple of minutes and work your way up. But Suzanne's right, and if I drop it, it doesn't hit my foot like a dumbbell would, right? It's not crushing my toe if I drop it. It's not a big deal. If I have to sit down or I have to be in bed, maybe you're limited. There's a lot of you out there, I know that. And so if I have to sit in a chair and just do band pull-aparts, it's a really good way to start. It really is. And if I'm able to then take these, and if I can put my feet here like Suzanne said, if my feet were out, and if I'm even in bed, I can still get that workout on my biceps and my upper body. If
you could do a whole chair workout.
I could do a lot on the floor, in bed, in a chair, anything that you want, because resistance training has been proven.
Yes.
Every athlete, we all know, resistance training is how we start and finish workouts. This is the easiest but most effective way to get that, you can hear my breath, to get that burn.
It's really funny. He told me, he says, hey, by the way, when I get out of breath, we're gonna go over there. I'm like, okay, good. So again, remember, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're getting, we start at 10, we end at 35. You can do combos of that. So this might be you. I'm at the 10 down here, the easiest. You can combine it all, but if you've got somebody who really works out like my husband, this is great for both of us, which mostly his workout stuff is stuff I don't wanna mess with. It's too complicated. Then remember, this is normally sold separately. That's the little thing you put over the door. It's mushy gushy, so it's not gonna dent your door. Most workout systems, you have to apply hooks. My husband has screwed in these god-awful, ugly things to hook his equipment on. I hate it.
And it would scratch.
It totally, it ruins the wall. Yeah, this is foam, and you can put it in any door whatsoever. Then you're getting your straps for your ankles, you're getting your straps for your hand, the hand portion. You're getting the exercises, so Chad didn't leave you alone. He's gonna help you figure out what to do. And it all fits, guys. This is what blows me away. The entire gym, yep, fits in that little bag. So whether you're gonna leave it at home or you're gonna take it on the road, if you're someone who travels for business, this would be great in a hotel room.
And I did one extra detail I don't want to miss out on, and I'm proud of it actually. We stitched in the weight. We did not, it's not a sticker. And so I know you're probably gonna have these for a real long time. And so we went ahead and made it, it's actually stitched on there, so it's never going away. And I did that because I've purchased resistance bands in the past, and it's like a little sticker that's on there. And after the first time, I'm
Did
like,
you guys see that?
I'm like, what's the yellow one again? Like, what's the blue one again?
I'm gonna hold it right here, guys.
Yeah.
This is brilliant. So it's all completely stitched in, so it's not gonna wear out, it's not gonna peel off. You'll always know which one you're working with, so you can start and build up. If you've got, like I said, a superstar, my husband works out every single day, he's very strong. He could absolutely rock this too. This would actually give him a heck of a workout.
Because he could combine.
Yes, when he combines them together, he'd get an unbelievable workout.
Yeah.
And again, simple, easy, smart, convenient. If you're gonna go away this summer, if you just wanna work out at home, if you wanna get grooving and moving with it, you can get your cardio rocking and rolling too, which is really fun. I like what you're doing.
Well, if you just hold them sort of firm and you take some side steps, some lateral steps, yeah, you start to feel that in your hips,
oh,
okay?
you do? Or if you just do the raises like that.
Right, and you know, our producer has a good point, I mean, in my ear. Really, honestly, if you don't really live in a large area, we're in a living room that's actually sort of small next to a coffee table. I can get a full workout right here, I promise you that. So if you can just stand up.
And you and I are working out together side by side.
You don't need a lot of space. You don't need to go to the gym where everybody's sweaty and it smells and it's hot and there's no air conditioning and everyone, and then how do you even use the machines? Right? This has the pictures and the words. You can go at your pace, at your time, and you can do this. It's summertime now, right? Summer body time is here. It's time to get those longer, leaner, toner muscles, and you're doing it with that legacy company, Bell & Howell. This is our 10-piece kit, okay? This is not a small kit. You get everything you need, but also the assistance with the pictures and the words coming in that pamphlet for you, okay? And this is, I don't know how Suzanne did this, but Host Pick is something very special, apparently.
It is. And you know what's funny? I wanted a piece of fitness equipment. It was brilliant. I said, look, if we're going to do the Let's Fit, which is the Today Special.
Oh, I'm wearing it, yeah.
I said, can we just throw in a piece of fitness equipment? They didn't just toss one in like at the end, it's a little 1-minute mention. They gave me one of the most popular things we've ever offered in fitness. You've had it on 3 times, it's sold out 3 times. It has never been this price, okay? We have free shipping, which he was like, I can't believe it's free shipping.
It's crazy.
And we have 5 Flex. So with the Flex, what is it, guys? It's $3.60. $3 to get an entire gym workout at home with this awesome, awesome Bell & Howell quality.
For your health.
And it's beautifully done.
For you.
Oh, for you, for everybody though. I mean, you and your hubby or partner will both use it. It doesn't matter. Now you've got it. And I'm just telling you, for stretching too, stretch, 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 and balance, you will love this. Chad, thank you.
Thanks, Sis.
That's been so much fun.
I loved it.
Diane, thanks for joining us
thank
as
you,
well, my
Diane.
love. She hung out with us for a good part of the hour. All right, we got to move on because I got more goodies we're going to get to, guys. Let me give you a reminder of our today's special. It's not one, it is 2. 2 of